The categories feature enables you to tag your data with different categories and then use those categories for searching or analysis. You can apply categories to calendar events, contacts, tasks and notes. Let's look at an example of some categories we've set up to categorize our customers. Here we've set up a group called Customer Importance, with 3 values. We've also set up another group to denote the type of customer. These categories can now be used to categorize our customers. In this example, we've categorized the contact as a valued customer. Having categorized our customers, we can now search by category. For example, we can quickly find all our valued customers. This example has been for contacts, but you can also categorize calendar events, tasks and notes.